I'm Itangishaka. I only speak Kinyarwanda, but when it's a time to defend my country, trust me, I can speak any language. My brothers and sisters, let's stand together and demand respect for Rwandan citizens and our president. It's a time to end all forms of abuse, mistreatment, and injustice. Rwandans deserve peace, dignity, fair treatment, just like everyone else. We call on the world to stop the abuse and recognize the efforts being made for a better future. Let's promote understanding, solidarity, and mutual respect. Peace and love. I'm Rwandan forever and ever, and I'm so proud of being Rwandan.